Konnichiwa, watashi no namae wa Nyai. Imperative sentences in English part 6. Please show me Misete kudasai. Please keep there. Soko ni oite kudasai. Please follow me. Stuite kitte kudasai. Please fill the water. Mizu o irete kudasai. Please clean the vessel. Utsuwa o aratte kudasai. Thank you. Imperative sentences in Japanese. Let's start part 7. Please light the gas on. Gasu nihi o stukete kudasai. Please put the gas sim. Gasu o chisakushite kudasai. Please give me something to eat. Nanika taberu mono o kudasai. Please go to bed. Nete kudasai. Please sing a song. Uta o utatte kudasai. Thank you. Part 8. Let's start. Please hum yourself. Hamingu shite kudasai. Please put it on. Sore o stukete kudasai. Please button up your shirt. Shastu no botane o tomete kudasai. Please unbutton your shirt. Shastu no botane o hazushite kudasai. Please help me. Tasukete kudasai. Thank you. Imperative sentence in Japanese part 9. Let's start. Please wait a minute. Chotto matte kudasai. Please get aside. Yokete kudasai. Please brush your teeth. Hao migate kudasai. Please take a bath. Yofuru no haite kudasai. Please take head bath. Atama o aratte kudasai. Thank you. Imperative sentences in Japanese part 10. Please come with me. Watashi to issou ni kitte kudasai. Please hand me a towel. Tauro watashi te kudasai. Please come along. Issou ni kitte kudasai. Please get in. Naka ni haite kudasai. Please clean the board. Wado kiru no shitte kudasai. Thank you.